Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I'm showing you how easy it is to change the blades on the Husky utility knife. It's got some nice features, very nice, easy to use.
Standing on the edge of death and life, standing in between right.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Got some new blades here, utility blades, and what I have is a Husky knife blade deal. I wanted to show you how you change the blades on this. Is you just rotate this little dial here, and that releases the catch that holds the knife in place. With this Stanley kit here, it's pretty cool, holds all the blades inside. What you do is just kind of turn it upside down and then you slide one of the blades out, and that's how you get the blades from this nice little deal, so that I can hang up. And then when we want to put our new blade in, turn it this way and insert it down inside, and then you just rotate that again down and insert it all the way, and now we have a nice new blade. And when it gets dull, you can actually take it, release it, and then flip it over, and that way you get another round with it. But pretty cool deal. A lot of the utility blades you have to take it apart in order to change the blades, but some of them have a nifty release function, and this is one of them, so it's a nice feature. It also locks in place so that it doesn't rotate out in your pocket or anything like that. You actually have to push the button in, and then it also locks in place. So it's a nice feature, and it's a little bit stronger. Definitely a dangerous tool, but it's a little safer when it's actually sharp, and you just have to respect it, because it is what it is. Never put your hand in the line of what you're cutting, so always keep your other hand far away. It's kind of a better tool to use one-handed, and keep your other hand far away. Yeah, just want to be extra careful. Anyway, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.